Hi friends, very good morning. I hope all you are well. So today's topic is Google Kubernetes, which is very important, especially for the experienced candidates. I had covered this video. This is a part 2 session of the Kubernetes. Before this, I had uploaded, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, the basic interviews questions for freshers on Kubernetes topic. If you didn't had visited, kindly go and visit because those are the basics one, and without covering those basic one, you cannot able to understand the higher version. So this session is more to the experienced candidates on the topic of Google Kubernetes frequently asked questions. So guys, let's start the session without further delay. Coming to the next slide. How Docker Swarm is different from Google Kubernetes? Can you please name the six differences between Docker Swarm and Google Kubernetes? So the spelling of Docker is not correct here, guys. This is actually Docker. Okay. So there are six man. See, there are many more differences, but I have covered only six main ones. So the first difference between these two is the initial setup, right? The complications. The initial setup is complicated in Kubernetes, but it's very robust, strong, and more features available in Kubernetes and is very easy to use. However, if we talk about the Docker Swarm, this is initial setup is very easy, but the cluster is not robust, right? And this is not, I mean, a kind of more frequently as compared to the Kubernetes. So that is that's why Kubernetes is more frequently used. Point number B is Kubernetes is GUI friendly, right? Man dashboard is in GUI, hence this is very easy in operating because GUI can operate anyone, right? Because everything is written in the dashboard itself. However, if we talk about the Docker Swarm, then there is no GUI available there. Point number three is very important, which is scalability. See, high scalable and process execution is fast. However, if we talk about the Docker Swarm, so this is also highly scalable and execution process is 5x times faster than Kubernetes, right? Next is Kubernetes is capable for auto scaling. Yes, very important differences. Auto scaling, right? Auto scaling, guys. During the basic cloud videos I had made earlier and uploaded, I had detailed under just conveyed you the fundamental of auto scaling. So just repeating once again, guys, auto scaling is the adjustment according to our requirement without any delay, so that our applications or software would run exactly as per the requirement whatever we have. So this is our auto scaling, right? So Kubernetes is more capable for auto scaling and very frequently used. However, if we talk about the Docker Swarm cannot do auto scaling. So this is the biggest difference between this Kubernetes and Docker Swarm. Next is manual intervention needed for load balancing between different containers and pods, right? However, it can do the it cannot actually, guys. This cannot, right? So Docker Swarm cannot do the auto scaling. Okay. Next is inbuilt tool for monitoring. So this is also capable to monitor the logging and monitoring. However, if we talk about the Docker Swarm, so third-party tools like ELK stack required for monitoring purpose. Coming to the next question. Why Kubernetes multitasking tool does license require to install the software? So see, Kubernetes is an open source software which is available in internet itself. Hence, license may not required for installation. But if you need license one, then the more features would, I mean, the company would recommend it to you, or just it will allow you to install some more workaround applications and more compatible customer services as well. So it holds the responsibilities of container deployment, scaling and descaling of containers and the load balancers, right? So Kubernetes, that's why this is more frequently used, because it holds the responsibility of container deployment, right? Scaling and descaling of containers and load balancers. It offers excellent community and work brilliantly with all the cloud providers. That means Kubernetes is compatible for all the cloud providers workers. Next question is how what would happen if Kubernetes not installed? Does Docker works properly? So Docker provides the lifecycle management of the containers, since container have to communicate between each other for this Kubernetes is used, right? So Docker build the containers and these containers communicate between each other by Kubernetes. So, guys, Kubernetes is the middleman between the communication of two containers, as we had just studied in the last slide. Next question is what is PDB, guys? PDB is the pod disruption budget, right? So PDB is a Kubernetes resources which allows you to set the policies on how many pods would be unavailable during the voluntary di disruptions. Voluntary disruption can occur during planned maintenance and scaling events or during any other actions we have. What is the purpose, guys? So the purpose of PDB is to ensure high availability and reliability of applications running in a Kubernetes cluster while allowing for necessary maintenance and updates. By setting the PDP, we can ensure that the number of replicas remains available and operations at all the time. So guys, PDB is a section in Kubernetes from where we can allow the policies so that in our voluntary disruption the downtime of the downtime of a container is just not get impacted, right? So which containers we have to carry forward even in the outage time. So these policies we can set up in PDB sections. So guys, this is all about today's session. Next video I will upload very soon. So I hope guys these videos really helps you in terms of your preparing the interviews questions. If you have any concerns during the preparation, you can send me your request over the comments, or you can email me also, so that I can provide you the better appropriate answers for your career. So kindly subscribe, hit the bell icon and don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.